balita na talagang nakalungkot, sumindak sa akin habang ako'y nasa Hong Kong, ay ang balita po na naghiwalay na si Bea at saka si Dominic Roque. I'm talking about Bea Alonzo and Dominic Roque. Bea is a good friend. I have known Dom when he was still a very young boy playing badminton. So ako'y nalungkot ho talaga dahil madalas pag nagkikita kami ni Bea ay nagkakakwentuhan ho kami tungkol sa buhay, tungkol sa kanila, their marriage plans, etc. So I was shocked na tama si OG Diaz po, si kaibigang OG nung kanyang balita na hiwalay na. As we talk today, yes, hiwalay po si Dominic at saka si Bea. Sinusuyo ba si Bea? Are they still trying to talk? Siguro. Maaari. Dahil sino ba naman ang ayaw maayos ang ganitong klase ng problema? As a matter of fact, from good sources, ay kagabi o nung isang gabi lamang ay nag-usap muli si Bea at saka si Dominic. They're trying to understand each other, but they're going through a rough patch. Magkakabalikan ba ito? Magtatagumpay ba sa panunuyo si Dominic or sila ni Bea? We don't know. Wala ho makakasagot ng katanungan na yun. But of course, my prayer is that may God grant them what is best for them. Ito lamang ang nalilito ako. Diyan muna tayo sa hiwalay. So I am confirming, yes, that hiwalay sila ngayon. At last night or 2 nights ago, nag-usap yung dalawa. Ano ang status? Wala. I think, kung tama ang aking source, Bea ay isinuli na ang kanilang engagement ring. But are they hoping? Ako, ang hula ko is yes. Kasi hindi naman, you don't say, tomorrow I'm going to stop loving. Yung prenup po ay medyo na-shock ako because ang pagkakaalam ko po, many months ago, napag-usapan ho ito sa aking pagkakaalam. And I'd like to confirm this with my friends, my sources. Because when this was being talked about, yung prenup po, ang nag-volunteer sa nanay ni Bea na okay ang prenup ay si Dominic. So I don't think it is and it was an issue unless nabago po yung kwento. So inuulit ko, it was not a problem because it was not an issue. To be fair to Dominic, it was not an issue for Dom. So, did they call off the wedding? Yes. Pero marami na ho kasi ang lumalabas na April ang wedding, Tagaytay ang wedding, kinancel ang wedding. There was no April. There was no Tagaytay. There was no wedding in Tagaytay that was canceled. Bea and I would often talk about the wedding towards the end of the year, the last quarter of the year. Pero as of now, walang wedding po na magaganap ngayong darating na Abril. Because in the first place, inuulit ko, there was no wedding in April and it was not going to be in Tagaytay. As originally talked about, nag-ocular po ang dalawa. Tama ho yun, sa Europa. And may mga lumalabas sa kwento rin that they went to Japan. Tama rin po yun. And I think they were trying to talk things out. Bea, ito ang ayaw ko, Naitay Kapuso. Dito sa kwentong ito, pinapalabas na ang may problema si Bea Alonzo. Kasi naghiwalay sila ni Gerald Anderson, naghiwalay sila ni Zanjo Marudo, ay hindi nagtatagal ang kanyang mga relasyon. To me, napaka-judgmental po nun. Yes, you and I have the right to comment. Yes, we have the freedom of speech. Pero ako, I appeal for kindness. What do we really know about this relationship? Do we know the nuances? Alam ba talaga natin ang detalye? Yung, wag naman, the narrative is not about Bea, ang problema, kaya sila naghiwalay. Sa pagkakaalam ko, ito diretsahan. Si Bea gusto ma-save ang relasyon na ito. Si Bea wants this to work. Punta naman tayo doon kay Dominic. Masakit din pakinggan. Walang pera, hindi mayaman, hindi sikat, hindi karapat-dapat kay Bea. Cruel. You have the right to comment, you have the right to share your opinion, pero sana'y, alam niyo po yun, let's exercise prudence, caution, and most important of all, kindness. Huli na lamang, kung halimbawa maayos ang dalawang ito, ako, from my sources, sigurado ako, pag nagkaayos si Bea at si Dominic, no wedding is going to happen this year. So, antabayanan niyo po ang developing story na ito. Bea grew up in front of all of us. I mean, kilala natin yung girl na ito. I have known Dom for a long time. So, antabayanan niyo po ang mga balita. Kung meron po kaming makakalap from our sources or from Bea or from Dominic, ay ibabahagi ho namin sa inyo. But let's continue to pray for what is best for them.